Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is the video number 41. In this video, we will learn how to filter data in Excel. So let's start. Filtering helps you focus only on the data you need. To apply a filter, simply select your data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Okay, then go to the data tab and sort and filter group. Click on the filter option. And you can see the one drop down arrow is appear on the each column header. Just click on this arrow and select your amount and click on OK to apply the filter. That's it. You can also use date filter, number filter, and text filter. So in department column, I just click on this drop down arrow and here the text filter option is available. You can see equals, does not equal, begin with, ends with, contains, does not contain. So I just click on the equals and here you can see the one dialog box open, customize auto filter. You can see the department column here showing in equal as I select it and I just enter here the word text, so HR. You can add here the one more filter also, add an or. Okay, after that click on OK and you can see only HR text filter here showing. So that's it. To remove the filter, simply select the cell and use the Shift Control L to remove filter. To apply again, you can use here again shortcut key Shift Control L to apply filter. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.